Hey, welcome to Take My Advice by Alton Martin. Right, I'm here again another day. I think this is my third YouTube video. I've just started out this blogging, whatever you call it. So I'm gonna review unbox and review Albott 70-inch tripod slash monopod. And I just picked this up today. It was on special. I saw it on Amazon. I only shop on Amazon. They say it's lightweight, mid-size tripod. And the description here, it says 26 millimeter 4-section aluminum legs. I mean, it can be extended up to four heights. Weight 3 pound, load 8 pound, 8.8 pound. That may be a small camera. So folded, it's 57 centimeter. Maximum height is 176 centimeter. So this is 70 inches. Let's open this up. So I picked this up on Amazon, as I said, for $40. I don't think it's a waste of money, but might come in handy for something to grab and go. Manual, no one needs that. Nice little carry case. So it's a nice little tripod. There's a hook underneath for, you could hang a sandbag on it to keep it sturdy on the ground. These legs clips to extend. Yeah, get it tall and nice. Alright, has a handle here, carrying handle. Alright, so this could be used in portrait or landscape mode. Watch this. Quick release plate. They didn't even see that. Okay. It's plastic though, so it's probably frail. I wouldn't trust that with my D850 or anything expensive. But as I said, it's cheap, maybe for a beginner with a basic camera. So this is the monopod part of it. Real cheap. Alright, so extended real long. I wouldn't have any need for this. This is crazy. So if you're on a budget, you could pick this up, use it for a while, make some money, and then get maybe a Monopod or something real strong and sturdy. I just picked this up because I saw it was there, and I never know. Maybe come in handy, I could use it for a little project. Maybe hold a small light or something on it to put a backup camera on it or something. I'm doing a video shoot. Because I've just started getting into video. I've been a photographer for a little while. I just started video and I'm saying let me just buy some gears and have some stuff. So thanks for watching. Please hit the like button, share, subscribe. I'll be putting out some new videos. I'll try to put some out once per week. And yeah, thank you. Share, subscribe, check the link below if you want to buy this. Take care.